Hi guys, it's me. I almost just said it's Miss Pampiano, but it's just you guys, so what's up? I wanted to show you what Armanda and I were able to figure out. So currently I'm on my Google Drive. So what we're thinking is going to happen is if you are shared to anybody's Google form, which you can add the collaborators over here. So before, when I made a test, I added everybody. You want to make sure that when you're making your form, one of the questions you add is what class are you in? This will be able to help all the teachers if you add this question in. And you can even do exactly what I did, example answer 503. Because what you'll see after they submit on your responses is all of the questions, okay? You're going to want to go to the question that says, what class are you in? And then you'll be able to see all of the responses from the different kids. Now, this is the part that's a little annoying, but it's the only thing I can think of right now. When I click on 503, I see that there's two responses. Spoiler alert, it's me and Armanda. So when I go to response 1, I see all of my work. And if I go back to the question, if I click on the second one, I'll see all of Armanda's answers. So this might be able to help us as we sort. We may be able to see, just based off of this question, who's in what. So if you're in 501, you can look at this response. And now I see all of Danielle's answers. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys later.